Hi, I'm Elizabeth from DoMyOwn.com. Today we'll be talking about how to get rid of mice. As temperatures cool down, mice are seeking warmth and nesting materials to take shelter, oftentimes in our homes. Mice are aggravating pests and they can be difficult to get rid of. Not only are they a nuisance around your home and they can damage property, but they're also known to carry various diseases as well. Mice infestations can be eliminated by following 3 easy steps that we'll go over today. Step 1. Exclusion. Mouse-proof the building or structure to ensure a new mouse infestation does not occur. Check the foundation and repair any cracks or holes or gaps that are roughly the size of a dime or measure a 1/4 inch or larger, as mice only need the smallest opening to gain access inside your home. In holes that are 2 inches or smaller, copper mesh or any suitable material should be used. In larger holes or gaps, you might need to use sheet metal or hardware cloth with less than a 1/4 inch of mesh to repair the area. Check weather seals around all doors and windows and make sure they're tightly sealed. Also check under roof lines, soffits, and gutters for signs of pest entry. Be sure to repair any observable damage. If gnawing damage is present on siding, doors, or under roof lines, using excluder traps, metal kick plates, and exclusion materials should be installed to prevent any additional gnawing. Inspect utility entry points. Make sure any gap or hole is sealed using copper mesh, caulk, hardware cloth, and mortar, sheet metal, expandable foam, or any suitable material where needed. Step 2. Sanitize. Mice need easily accessible food sources, water, and nesting materials to thrive. Sanitation measures should focus primarily on reducing these sources and can make all the difference in eliminating them. To reduce house mouse populations, try the following sanitation measures. Store your food in sealed metal, plastic, or other airtight containers with tight-fitting lids rather than bags or boxes that can easily be gnawed through. This includes dry foods and pet foods stored in garages, sheds, or pantry areas. Remove possible nesting materials like paper, cardboard, and outdoor cushions, which mice can use to build nests. Keep a tight-fitting lid on storage bins and trash cans. Outdoor sanitation, such as removing yard debris, cutting back any ground cover, trees, and bushes away from the home, picking up fallen fruit, and nuts from trees are all great options. Step 3. Eliminate the existing population. There are 2 methods to eliminating mice: trapping and baiting. There's a variety of effective mouse traps. These include snap traps, glue traps, and humane live catch traps. Traps should be placed in areas with noticeable rodent activity and baited with a rodent lure or food-grade ingredients, such as peanut butter, nuts, bacon, or even nesting materials like cotton, string, insulation, or pillow batting. Mouse baits come in many different forms. These include pellets, blocks, and soft baits. Bait should be placed in tamper-resistant bait stations outdoors, away from areas where children and pets go. We don't recommend baiting indoors, as mice can crawl into the walls or other hard-to-reach areas after taking the bait before finally dying. In summary, following these steps to mouse-proof your home, sanitizing, and eliminating the existing mice population using traps and baiting will all help to avoid any future mouse infestations. And it's that easy, with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.